This Valentine's Day, I thought I would show you how to make these sweet ice cream cone cupcakes. These are perfect not only for Valentine's Day, but also can be made for birthdays or as gifts. Start off using your favorite cake mix and follow the instructions on the box. Today I'm using a confetti white cake mix, which is filled with colorful sprinkles. Once all ingredients are combined, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grab a cupcake tin and place the desired amount of ice cream cones into the tin. Your cake mix will usually make around 24 cupcakes if you desire. Fill each ice cream cone about halfway with cake batter. Carefully pop this into the oven and bake for around 30 minutes or until the cake is completely cooked. While the cake is baking, we can start on our icing. Start off with 1 stick of unsalted butter softened. Mix in a bowl until smooth and fluffy. Pour in 1 cup of powdered sugar that is sifted. Next, mix the powdered sugar with your mixer. Pour in another cup of sifted powdered sugar and mix until fully incorporated. Add in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then pour in 2 tablespoons of milk and mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add in your food coloring and mix until you get the desired color. This icing will be enough to cover 4 cupcakes, and it will fill an entire icing bag. All measurements and ingredients will be in the description box below. Once your cupcakes have cooled, fill a frosting bag with your icing with a large round icing tip. Pipe your icing onto your cupcakes in a swirl motion to look like soft serve ice cream. Lastly, add in some sprinkles to the top of your icing while it's still freshly piped. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it to the end, please give me a heart emoji in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any upcoming DIYs.